Systems Andromeda 1.
Team 7259.
From the McDuffie School in Granby, Massachusetts, sponsored by the McDuffie School, Mechanical Mustangs, our second rookie team of the day.
Team 3566.
From St. Mark's School in Southborough, Massachusetts, sponsored by Raytheon, Bose, and Family House of Pizza, it is Gone Fishin'.
Down here on blue, give it up for Team 6723.
From Mount Greylock Regional High School in Williamstown, Massachusetts, sponsored by the Mount Greylock Regional High School, it's Team Redbot.
Team 126.
From the Clinton Senior High School in Clinton, Massachusetts, a Hall of Fame team, sponsored by Nipro Incorporated, it's Gale Force.
And rounding out the alliance, Team 172.
From the Falmouth High School and the Gorham High School in Gorham and Falmouth, Maine, sponsored by Lanco Assembly Systems, Adobe Systems, IDEX Laboratories, Robotics Institute of Maine, and Texas Instruments Northern Force.
All right, we got a green light and a thumbs up. Drivers behind the line. In 3, 2, 1, power up.
And the randomization takes place, and we can now see the alignment for the robots. We have forward motion by Team Redbot. Other teams sitting still. Looks like Blue Alliance, or Red Alliance, is going to get themselves an auto quest, which will be a rank point, put them up at the end of this match. Great work, Red Alliance. Here comes Blue Alliance now. Stepping into play. 126, Gale Force, looking to take control of the switch, and they do. Red Alliance already having control of the switch will have an advantage. 42-9, but points continue to climb. Blue Alliance now looking to play some defense down in the Red Alliance zone, or Red Alliance looking to collect cubes from their portal. Team Redbot putting a cube in the vault. We see vault play now. Also, Blue Alliance taking control of the switch, taking control of the scale. Too heavy on the scale. Red Alliance falling behind. 172 looking to collect. 4905 worrying a power cube out of the center. There goes that elevator on 3566, Gone Fishin'. See if they can elevate high enough, or if they can shoot that cube up onto the platform. It looks like they're not going to attempt it. They will instead, maybe they'll try it, see if they can elevate a little bit higher. 172 lifting up, adding more to the high concentration of cubes in the scale right now. 50 seconds remaining in the match. Still plenty of time for lots of things to happen. We can see currently control right now. Blue Alliance having control of both their scale and the switch, which is going to move their score ahead. You can see now that their accumulating score is moving ahead of Red Alliance. This is going to come down to whether or not we can get our robots onto the platform to see where we end up. Right now, Blue Alliance behind, looking to increase the score. 126 going up. Will they go up high enough? Oh, no, and 3566 falls off the ramp. 4905, Andromeda 1, attempting to help their alliance partners. 172 trying to get up underneath. This is going to be close right now. It looks like Blue Alliance with the advantage, but it's going to come down to how the referees score this at the end. We will have your official results up momentarily. And your official results coming up on the board now. Who will defeat the boss? Is it red? Is it blue? And it looks like it's going to be the Blue Alliance earning those 2 rank points. Blue Alliance with the win, 266 to 213. This was a very close match. However, take a look there. Red Alliance earning 1 rank point for the Auto Quest. Rank points being the way that we determine who ends up being chosen and who ends up choosing during Alliance selection at the end of the qualifications tomorrow. So pay attention to those rank points.
Okay, match number 6. Down here on the Red Alliance, let's hear it for Team 4905.
From 4-H Tolland County in Storrs, Mansfield, Connecticut, sponsored by the University of Connecticut, Illuminati.
That was completely my fault.
And we're going to hang on for a while.
We're going to redo that.
Okay.
I ran up and I pointed, and I was like, that's not 4905. Oh. Just waiting for them to switch the numbers over. Okay, match number 6. Let's try that again. Down here on red, let's hear it for Team 3555.
From 4-H Tolland County in Storrs, Mansfield, Connecticut, sponsored by University of Connecticut, it is Illuminati.
Team
36. From Tri-County Regional Vocational Technical School in Franklin, Massachusetts, sponsored by TE Connectivity and the Department of Defense STEM and Teradyne, it's Tri-Force.
And Team 3719.
From the Science and Technology Magnet High School of Southeastern Connecticut and New London High School in New London, Connecticut, sponsored by Dominion Millstone Power Station and UTC Aerospace Systems, it is a STEM Whalers.
Down here on blue, Team 2785.
Sponsored by, that's the Kent School in Kent, Connecticut, sponsored by United Technologies Corporation and Stanley Works, it's Prometheus.
Team 78.
From the Aquidneck Island Robotics 4-H Club in Newport, Rhode Island, sponsored by the Naval Undersea Warfare Center and Department of Defense STEM, it's Airstrike.
And Team 2262.
From Holliston High School in Holliston, Massachusetts, sponsored by NASA, Bose, MathWorks, Abbess, and Harbor Freight, it's Robo Panthers.
What do you think, James? We got time for a quick trivia question?
There's always time for trivia.
I have one Snickers bar.
Oh, and it's a warm Snickers bar, the best kind.
For whoever can tell me the first year and who won the Chairman's Award. The first year and who won the Chairman's Award.
Oh, but we're going to have to wait for that.
We're going to have to wait for
play.
that. All right. Do your research and come back to me.
Roger says 3.
All right, we got a green light and some thumbs up. Green light and a thumbs up. All right, drivers behind the line. 3, 2, 1, power up.
And the randomization is done, and teams are in motion. High speed, Red Alliance, boom, coming out, looking to take control. Their switch is now under control. Oh, look at this. 32-36, stepping up. Will they release? Looks like they're not going to release, but they're in good position to do that. Oh, and take control of the scale. Let's see if they can release that power cube. There it is. Blue Alliance looking to offset that. Airstrike coming in, losing control of their power cube. 37-19, STEM Whalers. They have collected a power cube. They had tossed one earlier onto their switch. See what they choose to do with it. Red Alliance in control right now of their switch and the scale. Blue Alliance, one robot hanging low. 2 robots in motion. 78, Airstrike coming around, looking to see what they will do. Blue Alliance with control of their switch as well, accumulating points. Red Alliance Red Alliance now with 2 power cubes in the Levitate power up in the vault. We'll see if they go and activate that. They've got 1, 2, 3 in there. Have not chosen to activate it yet. And we see the Red Alliance still controlling their switch. Red Alliance preventing Blue Alliance from scoring right now. Red Alliance scoring at a furious pace. Earning 2 points per second right now with switch ownership. 78 has found their groove. Collecting cubes. Trying to take over that scale. 30 seconds remaining. There goes 35-55. Illuminati, see if they can go up. Up they go. Will it be high enough? 32-36 coming to join them. And will Airstrike in 12 seconds, 11-10. Oh, super fast. There we go. Power up enabled. Boost is going on right now, too, for Red Alliance. Scoring additional points. Red Alliance decisively controlling the situation. They'll have 3 robots up on the platform. Blue Alliance will have 2 robots up on the platform. Each side earning the 60-point extra for climbing, and we'll have your official results up momentarily. And your official results coming on the board now. Is it red or blue who defeated the boss? Looks like Red Alliance defeating the boss with those 3 robots up on the platform. 392 points for the win. That'll be 2 rank points for the Red Alliance. Blue Alliance, good effort there. Good start to the day. However, will earn 0 rank points for that effort.
All right, match number 7. Let's meet the teams. Down here on red, let's hear it for team 1831.
From Guilford High School in Guilford, New Hampshire, Screaming Eagles.
Team 4564.
From Brewer High School in Brewer, Maine, sponsored by Brewer High School, Robotics Institute of Maine, Lynx System Developers Incorporated, and Troy Industrial Solutions, it's Orange Chaos.
And team 716.
From the Housatonic Valley Regional High School in Falls Village, Connecticut, sponsored by BD, 21st Century Fund, CA Lindell, True Value Hardware and Lumber, Freund's Farm Market, and Bakery and Westside Mechanical Incorporated, it's Who's C-Tex.
Down here on blue, team 5735.
From Wayland High School in Wayland, Massachusetts, sponsored by Analog Devices, MathWorks, and BAE Systems, it's Control Freaks.
Team 1768.
From Neshoba Regional in Bolton, Massachusetts, sponsored by Syncor and Bose, it's Robo Chiefs.
And team 1991.
From 4-H and University High School in Hartford, Connecticut, sponsored by UTC, Pratt & Whitney, University of Hartford, Hartford Public Schools, and the law offices of Joseph Prokop, it's Dragons.
All right, while we're waiting, just kidding. Nope, just kidding. All right, looking for a thumbs up. We got one, green light. Drivers behind the line In 3, 2, 1, power up.
And randomization is done. Robots move in the autonomous. 45-64. Orange Chaos owning. Oh, look at this. They're going to own the switch and the scale during the autonomous. Get those 2 points per second for that ownership. Double autonomous from Orange Chaos, looking to do absolute control. Red Alliance bringing it in with 60 points. Blue Alliance moving now. 1768. Robo Chiefs looking to give a robot or give a power cube through the exchange to their human player. Orange Chaos making it very hard for the Blue Alliance to regain control of that scale. Doesn't mean it won't happen. The Blue Alliance being efficient. Control Freaks looking to take control of that scale in the middle of the field. Oh, looking to play some defense there against the Red Alliance. Opting for disabling or attempting to disable the Red Alliance switch. Red Alliance having the same idea, having just done so, made it harder for the Blue Alliance to collect those points. Red Alliance, though, working on the vault. They've got 2 cubes in the levitate in the vault. Housatonic right there. Delivering cubes through the exchange. Whoosh, off it goes. The battle seems to be over the Blue Alliance switch right now, and we can see power up activated, levitate for the Red Alliance. They will get those points. You see the 60 points just coming up on the board. And we're down to the last 30 seconds. Who is going to climb? Who is going to be on the platform? Will we see a boss challenge? We can see Boost in play right now. By the Red Alliance. That has expired. And 45-64, Orange Chaos just squeaking up above the line, getting those bumpers up above the line, getting additional scores for that. Everybody's settling down very nicely at the end of the match. We've got 3 robots on the platform for Blue, 2 on the platform with 1 hang for Red, but an additional climb for Red. We'll see where that scores out in the final tally. And your official results coming up now. The Giant Abacus has completed its work. 8 bits of power leaves Red Alliance having defeated the boss. Red Alliance with 380 points, and the win, that will earn them 2 rank points. 1831, having played before, moves up to rank number 4. Blue Alliance with 107 points will help in the rankings, but no rank points for them.
Well, the member of 126 that came and saw me earlier about answering the question about chairmans. Come on down.
Yeah, we're just checking like all the schedules on TVA.
So the question was, in what year and what team, in what year was the Chairman's Award founded and what team won it? What do you say?
The Chairman's Award was founded in 1992, and it was won by Team 191, the X-Cats.
What do we think? That sounds right to me, right?
1992, yes.
And the X-Cats. Team
X-Cats.
191.
Thumbs up from Francis.
There you go. One pocket
And that means
warm
that's good. That's
Snickers
chocolate
bar.
worthy.
Okay, match 8. Let's meet the teams. Down here on red, let's hear it for team 88.
From Bridgewater Rainer Regional High School in Bridgewater, Massachusetts, it's TJ Squared.
Team 61.
From Blackstone Valley in Upton, Massachusetts, the Intimidators.
And team 3566.
From St. Mark's School in Southborough, Massachusetts, Gone Fishing.
Down here on blue, let's hear it for team 4042.
From Erskine Academy in South China, Maine, Murphy's Lawyers.
Team 467.
From Shrewsbury High School in Shrewsbury, Massachusetts, the Colonials.
And team 213.
From Keene High School in Keene, New Hampshire, it's the Dirty Birds.
All right, we got a green light. Just looking for our head ref, Dave.
Dave's got his thumbs up there.
We got a thumbs up, green light, drivers behind the line. In 3, 2, 1, power up.
And the randomization is complete and autonomous begins. Red Alliance, everybody moves. They have decisive control of the switch. They will get a rank point, but so will Blue. Blue Alliance with their Auto Quest complete. So we have Auto Quest complete for Red Alliance and Blue Alliance. Great work. Red Alliance, TJ Squared taking control of the scale. We have a disabled robot, it looks like now. Colonials has lost their ramp. And we'll see if they can come back to life. 3566 Gone Fishing with their fishing creel. We saw that earlier. Looking to collect a power cube. Not quite aligned. 213 delivering through the exchange. 61 delivering through the exchange. Murphy's Lawyer is looking to collect a cube right now. Down it goes. 3566. All the wheels turning, looking to collect that cube. Hard to do. 61 delivering. Levitate is active for Red Alliance. Blue Alliance looking to get that done. Red Alliance with control of the switch and the scale. 255, 56, 57, 58, 59. 2 points every second accruing to the Red Alliance right now. And we'll see if they can apply boost. There goes force. Red Alliance applying force. Unclear why they do that, but that's fine. They will then own the switches and the scale, or own their switch and the scale. 61 looking to line up to climb. There goes 213. Dirty Birds taken to the air. However, their long arm is up into the works of 61, and it's preventing them from going up onto the scale. It's going to be an interesting call by the referees to determine how this is going to shake out with that part extending out into the other robot. We'll have your official results up momentarily. And your official results coming up now. Is it red or is it blue defeating the boss? It is the Red Alliance defeating the boss. World high score 454 points. World high score 454 points. We'll see how long that lasts, of course. It's very early in the competition.
Okay, match number 9. James, you ready to go?
Let's go.
Down here on red, give it up for team 4987.
From Worcester Academy here in Worcester, Massachusetts, it's Mega Rams.
Team 2785.
From the Kent School in Kent, Connecticut, Prometheus.
And team 1729.
From the Monadnock 4-H Robotics Club and 4-H Youth Development Organization, it's Team Inconceivable.
Down here on blue, it's here for team 1153.
From Walpole High School in Walpole, Massachusetts, Walpole Robotics.
Team 1519.
From the Milford Area Youth Homeschoolers Enriching Minds in Milford, New Hampshire, Mechanical Mayhem.
And team 6723.
From Mount Greylock Regional High School in Williamstown, Massachusetts, Team Redbot.
All right, we got a green light. Everybody off of their phones. All right, we get a thumbs up, a green light. Drivers behind the line. In 3, 2, 1, power up.
And randomizing is complete. Robots take flight. Red Alliance will get 3 auto. Looks like Blue Alliance will get 3 auto. See if they will take control, and they will. So Blue Alliance and Red Alliance will earn that rank point for the auto quest. Great work. They're very close. Blue Alliance coming in a little late to get the score. Here comes Mechanical Mayhem with a rotating turret. Allows them to pick up and deposit into the scale without having to rotate the robot. Blue Alliance still with control of the scale. Both sides with control of their switches, but Mayhem may be looking to change that right now. Looking to now balance the scale anyway of the switch on the Red Alliance side. Let's see what they choose to do with it. Red Alliance is working hard. 17-29 over there. Inconceivable. Now taking control of the scale. Mayhem looking to change that equation. And they're setting an eagle. Oh, we see a power up in action. Looks like Levitate for Blue Alliance is active. Scale is even. Oh, no, moving to the Red Alliance side now. It's going to be a scale battle here, I think. Red Alliance still a little behind. They've got just still owning control of their switch. Blue Alliance owning control of their switch. Mega Rams working to put cubes into the exchange. 15-19 with a tenuous grip on that cube. They'll let it go. See if it's enough or if it's going to drive it to balance. Looks like it is in balance right now. Scale is now accruing points to no one. Blue Alliance losing control. Coming back again. 30 seconds remaining. Let's see what happens as we move into the end game. Is it going to be enough from the Blue Alliance to take control? Oh, it looks like it's still tipping a little bit. Oh, Blue Alliance somehow owning it through force. So that force played very well. Red Alliance trying to get it back, but force still in play. Blue Alliance going to get it for the last few seconds as force expires. Here comes 17-29 up onto the platform. This is going to be close right now. Blue Alliance with advantage. It'll be up to the referees to tell us the final result. And your official results coming up now. Was it red or blue defeating the boss? It looks like it's going to be Blue Alliance defeating the boss, getting a little fireworks on their side of the field. With 310 points, they will get 3 rank points and the win. This is going to be high-octane propulsion up into the ranks for those 3 teams with those 3 rank points. Red Alliance, though, will earn a rank point. It will have upward motion for 2 of those 3 teams. Of course, it's still early, so rank points still important. Individual rankings, not so much right now.